Risk warning and disclaimer. Trading involves substantial risks, including the potential loss of your entire investment. This information is provided solely for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Why realistic expectations are essential in trading. Many people enter trading without realistic expectations. Often, they believe that after attending a weekend workshop or learning a handful of chart patterns, they can immediately generate consistent income from trading. Here's the reality. Trading is a professional skill, much like medicine, engineering, or law. You don't become a doctor after a brief seminar, nor can you become an engineer by memorizing a few equations over the weekend. Trading, similarly, involves a significant learning curve and demands substantial dedication and practice, typically several years, to become proficient. Simply memorizing chart patterns or trading setups is not enough. Yes, making trades is as easy as clicking a mouse, but true success requires mastering essential aspects like developing your own trading edge, risk management, position sizing, and emotional discipline. Give yourself adequate time to learn and grow as a trader. Avoid shortcuts, dismiss the urge to get rich quick, and never prematurely rely on trading to replace your primary income.